by the way you stare into my...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are actually going to be starting a new series for designing my luxury bedroom. Okay, I'm actually taking you guys back in time because I started designing this 2 years ago when I moved into my house, and I'm just now getting around to adding the finishing touches. So now I feel like I could start to show some content to lead up to the final reveal. Okay, so in today's video specifically, we are going to be doing a review of the bed that I purchased. I've now had it for 2 years, so I could kind of give you, first of all, the room tour, the empty room tour, so that you know where I'm starting from, and we'll talk about the bed, and then I can kind of give you a review at the end. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So let's go ahead and get into the empty room tour. This will be super quick and easy, but I really just want to show you all the space that I'm working with before I start to actually design it so you could truly see it from scratch. This is the master suite. I call it the penthouse suite because it is on the top level. It is the only room on the very top level of my house. It is so spacious, so beautiful, and just fit for a queen, you know? So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get into the bed. All right, y'all, so I want to show you all my bed. It's so gorgeous, you guys. This bed came from Wayfair, and it has been out of stock for a whole year. It just came back in stock like right before Thanksgiving, and I had to scoop it up. I'm gonna link it down below, but I think it's out of stock again. Okay, this is the taupe color. They have two colors. They have more of like a dark gray, and then they have like this taupe color. This actually looks a little silver, but I guess it really depends on the light, but it is super pretty. And it's velvet, so I'm gonna take you up close. I wanted a bed that was very luxurious, so it's velvet, but I didn't want, everybody has those like upholstered bed headboards, and I just feel like that's a little outdated. There's a lot of modern luxury beds, and so I went with the vertical lines. This is actually a theme that I'm gonna carry out throughout my entire house. You're gonna see a lot of vertical lines in very unique ways, so I'm super excited. Oh, I can't wait till I do like my full house tour so that you all can kind of see it come together. But I did not have the mattress yet. This is a box spring. It's a metal box spring. It actually came from Amazon. It was so easy to put together. So my actual mattress comes tomorrow. So, but this is what we have so far. I want the theme of my bedroom, y'all. I don't know exactly, like I'm not 100% sure how I want it to look just yet. I have some ideas, but I think I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm not gonna put a lot of furniture. I will put 2 accent chairs here. I'm gonna have wall-to-wall curtains, ceiling to floor. And then I really want the overall bedroom to be neutral in terms of the color scheme. So this black might have to be updated. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. I don't know if I want to move this into my closet because I have a lot of space in my closet. But if I get the pack system in my closet, I'm gonna have to move this, and this is heavy. It's a heavy, sturdy piece of furniture, but it's so good. So I might either paint it or maybe try to do some of the pill and stick wallpaper and see if I could get an interesting, you know, color, and I can cover this in the pill and stick just to kind of make it match a little bit more, so it's not, because I think this is the only really dark piece that's gonna end up being in here. So I might try to see if I could change the color, but it's a really good dresser. So I mean, if I don't have to buy a new one, you know, why not just utilize it? So yeah, so this is what we have so far. This is it. This is the bedroom. Love my bed. Super obsessed. Can't wait to get my mattress so that I can sleep on it and test it out. So just to give you guys a quick review over the bed, it's been about 3 years since I've lived in my house. And so I've had this bed. The bed was the very first piece of furniture that I bought, and I actually bought it in faith prior to securing my house. So I had it, it was sitting in my parents' garage, and I was like, something gotta shake because we got this bed in here taking up space. So a house is coming, and it did literally, like, in weeks later when I bought the bed, I signed the contract on my house. So super excited for that. But I've slept in this bed for now 3 years, and I'll talk about the bed frame specifically, and we could talk about the mattress towards the end of the reveal. But I love the bed. It is super luxe. I think when I think about luxury and like how to create a luxury bedroom, old school luxury is the upholstered beds. And so I know you all have seen it, and I just didn't want, I feel like it's a little bit outdated, and I wanted a similar feel, but like what was the modern version of like an upholstered bed. And I feel like this bed is it. Okay, you talk about the texture of it, the lines. I love lines. I have them all up and through my house. But even the velvet, the fact that it's velvet makes it this luxurious print, but it's modern day luxury. Okay, like it's not your old school upholstered feel. It's literally, the lines make it just fresh, new, and different. And then the color. Okay, so like this is probably one of the few rooms in my house that actually has like color. I was strategic and I didn't want to do any black. So even though it's a taupe feel, I think that I love the warmth of it, and it allows me to go in different directions to pull color in. So I really love it. It's super easy to clean. Like I literally just dust it off and like by vacuuming it. And then what I also liked about the bed is that it's easy to kind of style it with like the furniture and stuff. So I really love it. It also kind of gives like this platform style. The frame of it doesn't have like your traditional legs. It does have legs on it, but they're very small and short. So it allowed me, the platform style allowed me to play with the height of like my mattress and mattress topper and things. So like my bed is really tall. Like I like the height of it because I'm a tall person and I like to kind of jump in my bed. So I love it. So anyone who, I know you guys, this bed has kind of been really popular. It also sells out pretty quickly. So I will link it below. I got it from Wayfair. But if you're interested in it, like I think it's a good buy. I think my challenge was just figuring out how to really style it and put the look together, because I haven't really seen a full look that I really like on Pinterest or just out there on the internet. So that's part of the reason too why I am creating this bedroom series. So now there's just more inspo on how to style my bed. So hope you like it. This is the first part of the video. Stay tuned for the next one because we are going to be doing some upcycling of some furniture. Okay, so I'm super excited for that. But please like this video, subscribe, okay, so that you can stay up to date on the next series that I put out. Bye.